Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nandini. Today I'm going to discuss about transmission media under the subject computer networks. First, let us see the introduction to transmission media. Transmission media refers to the various means through which data is transmitted from one device to another. This includes physical pathways such as wires, cables, and fiber optics, as well as wireless communication technologies. The selection of appropriate transmission media is crucial for ensuring efficient and reliable data transfer in networking systems. Understanding the characteristics and capabilities of different transmission media is essential for designing and implementing robust communication infrastructures. Factors such as bandwidth, latency, and the susceptibility to interference play a significant role in determining the suitability of a particular transmission medium for given application. Next is a type of guided media. First one is a twisted pair. Twisted pair cables commonly used for telephone and Ethernet networks. They consist of pair of insulated copper wires twisted together to reduce electromagnetic interference. Twisted pair cables are cost effective and easy to install, making them a popular choice for short distance communication. Next is a coaxial cable. Coaxial cables have a central conductor surrounded by a dielectric insulator, a conductive mesh, and an outer conductor. They are widely used for cable, television, and internet connections. Coaxial cables provide high bandwidth and are suitable for long distance transmission, making them ideal for multimedia applications. Fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cables use thin strands of a glass or a plastic to transmit data using the light signals, and they offer high data transfer rates, immunity to electromagnetic interference, and are ideal for long distance and high bandwidth communication. Fiber optic cables are commonly used in high speed internet connections and telecommunication networks. Next is the characteristics and advantages of twisted pair. Transmission. Twisted pair cables are commonly used for both digital and analog transmission. They can carry voice, data, and video signals, making them versatile for various applications. Cost effectiveness. Twisted pair cables are relatively inexpensive compared to other types of guided media, making them a cost effective solution for networking and telecommunications. Flexibility. Though these cables are flexible and easy to install, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. They can be easily twisted and bent to fit into tight spaces, making them ideal for congested areas. Immunity to interference. Twisted pair cables are designed to minimize electromagnetic interference, providing reliable transmission of signals without significant data loss or degradation. And next is the characteristics and advantages of coaxial cable. High bandwidth. Coaxial cable offers high bandwidth capacity, making it suitable for transmitting large amounts of data over long distances. Immunity to EMI. Due to its shielding, coaxial cable is less susceptible to electromagnetic interference, ensuring reliable data transmission. Secure transmission. The shielding also provides security against external signal interception, making coaxial cable is a preferred choice for secure communication networks. Next is the characteristics and advantages of fiber optic cable. High bandwidth. Fiber optic cables have a much higher bandwidth compared to other transmission media, allowing for greater data transfer rates. Low attenuation. Light signals in fiber optic cables experience minimal loss over long distances, enabling transmission over vast networks without the need for repeaters. Immunity to electromagnetic interference. Unlike copper-based cables, fiber optic cables are immune to electromagnetic interference, making them ideal for environment with high interference levels. Security and data integrity. Fiber optic cables are difficult to tap into without detection, providing a secure means of data transmission. Additionally, they offer high data integrity and due to minimal signal degradation. Next is the types of unguided media. Radio waves. Radio waves are the form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths longer than infrared light. They are commonly used in communication systems, broadcasting, and wireless networking. Microwaves are electromagnetic waves with wavelengths ranging from 1 meter to 1 millimeter. They are commonly utilized in satellite communication, radar systems, and microwave ovens. Infrared radiation, often referred to as heat radiation, is a type of electromagnetic radiation with longer wavelengths and then visible light. Infrared communication is widely used in remote controls, security systems, and short-range wireless devices. Next is the characteristics and advantages of radio waves. Long distance transmission. Radio waves have the ability to travel long distances, making them suitable for applications such as broadcasting and communication. Penetration through obstacles. They can penetrate through obstacles like building and foliage, making them useful for wireless communication in urban and rural areas. Wide coverage. Radio waves can cover a wide area, making them ideal for mass communication and broadcasting services. Flexible deployment. Due to their wireless nature, radio waves offer flexibility in deployment, making them suitable for mobile communication and networking. Next is the characteristics and advantages of microwaves and infrared. Characteristics of microwaves. Microwaves are the electromagnetic waves with wavelength ranging from 1 meter to 1 millimeter. They are widely used in various communication and radar systems due to the ability to penetrate atmospheric conditions such as rain, fog, and snow. Advantages of microwaves. One of the significant advantages of microwaves is their eye carrying capacity, allowing them to transmit large amounts of data over long distance. Additionally, they are less affected by environmental factors compared to other frequencies, making them reliable for long distance communication. Characteristics of infrared. Infrared radiation is electromagnetic radiation with wavelength longer than the visible light but shorter than the microwaves. It is commonly used in remote control, short range communication, and thermal imaging. Imaging. Advantages of infrared. Infrared communication offers secure and line of sight transmission, making it suitable for short range applications where security and direct communications are less affected by the interference from other sources, ensuring reliable and data transmission. Next is the advantages of transmission media. High bandwidth. Transmission media such as fiber optic cables offer high bandwidth, which allows for efficient and rapid transfer of data, including large files and high definition multimedia content. Low error rates. Guided media like twisted pair and fiber optic cables are known for providing low error rates, ensuring reliable and accurate data transmission over long distances without significant loss or corruption. Security. Fiber optic cables in particular offer a high level of security as they are difficult to tap into without detection, making them ideal for transmitting sensitive and confidential data. Immunity to interference. Guided media, especially fiber optic cables, are immune to electromagnetic interference, ensuring consistent and high quality data transmission even in electrically noisy environment. Next is the disadvantages of transmission media. Interference and noise. One of the major disadvantages of transmission media is the susceptibility to interference and noise. Guided media like twisted pair and coaxial cable experience electromagnetic interference, while guided media like radio waves and microwaves can suffer from external interference sources affecting the quality of data transmission. Attenuation. Transmission media also face the issue of attenuation, where the signal strength weakens as it travels over distance. This is particularly notable in guided media such as twisted pair and coaxial cable, leading to the need for signal boosters or repeaters to maintain data integrity. And security concerns. Other disadvantage is a potential security vulnerabilities in transmission media. Guided media, especially twisted pair, can be susceptible to eavesdropping and wiretapping, while unguided media like radio waves and infrared can be intercepted, posing risks to the confidentiality of transmitted data. Limited bandwidth. Many transmission media have the limitations and bandwidth, restricting the amount of data that can be transmitted at a particular time, and this can be lead to congestion and slower transmission speeds, impacting the efficiency of communication networks. Next, at last, is a conclusion. Wired and wireless transmission medias are pathways that are used to transmit data and information through the use of various means. While wired media utilizes cables or wires to transfer data, wireless media transmit data through radio signals or radio waves and do not require any cables. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.